In this video, we are going to install Python, Jupyter Notebook, and run our first program. Go to your web browser, go, search for python.org, go to official website of Python, then go to download, then click on download for Windows. This will be download Python setup file. Then click on this downloaded file. Then this setup will be open. Then click on this to checkbox and then click on install now. This will take some time. Our Python is installed. Then go to CMD, type python hyphen version. If it's written version, then our Python is installed. Then we will install Jupyter. Type pip install Jupyter. This will be installed our Jupyter Notebook. This will be take some time. After installing Jupyter Notebook, we will be create a new folder where we will store our notebooks. After creating folder, open folder and click on search bar, type CMD. This will be open our terminal or at the part and type Jupyter Notebook. This will be open our Jupyter Notebook. After entering, this will take 10 seconds. After opening Jupyter, click on File, click on New, then click on Notebook. Then select kernel. Then we will simply print something. I am going to print my name. Print new name. It's working. It's printing. It's working. Our Python and Jupyter has been installed successfully. You can see our in this folder our notebook. It's stored here. Thank you.